Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today, Daniel and Lily are sitting in the park on their lunch break, and the conversation gets quite deep. Let's join them. This is lovely, isn't it? We should do this more often. Eat lunch outside instead of at our desks.
Absolutely. I forget how nice it is just to sit somewhere quiet for a bit. Right? What have you got?
Cheese and tomato sandwich, an apple, and a packet of crisps. Very exciting. You?
Leftover pasta from last night. I'm going to start meal prepping properly. I've decided. Every Sunday, I'm going to cook for the whole week.
I'll believe it when I see it. Have you said that before?
Only about 12 times. But this time, I mean it. I've even bought the little containers.
The containers are a good sign. Right, so I've been thinking a lot lately. Can I ask you something a bit serious?
Of course. Everything all right?
Yes, nothing bad. I've just been thinking about the future. Like, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Oh, wow. That's a big question for a Tuesday lunchtime.
Sorry, I've just had a lot on my mind. I had a long think about it over the weekend, and I realised I haven't really planned anything properly.
No, it's a good question, actually. Let me think. In 5 years, I think I'm going to move out of the city. I've been thinking about it for a while now. London is brilliant, but it's exhausting. I want somewhere quieter, a bit of green space, you know?
Really? I didn't know you felt that way. Where would you go?
Somewhere in the countryside, maybe. Not too far. I'll still need to come into the city for work sometimes, but I'd love a little house with a garden. I'm going to start saving properly for that this year, actually. I've already opened a savings account.
That's really exciting. So you have a proper plan.
Well, a plan is a strong word. I know what I want. Whether it actually happens, we'll see. What about you? What are you thinking?
Honestly, I think I'm going to go back to studying. I've been thinking about doing a part-time master's degree. In business or marketing, something like that.
Oh, wow, really? That's a big decision. Have you looked into it?
I have actually. I've found a few courses that look really good. I'm going to speak to the university next week. I've already sent them an email. I think it'll open a lot of doors career-wise.
Definitely. And will you stay at the company while you study?
I think so, yes. The course is part-time, so I'll manage both. It won't be easy, but I think it'll be worth it. What about work? Do you see yourself staying in the same field?
I think so. I love what I do, design and branding. But I'd love to go freelance one day. That's the dream, really. Work for myself, choose my own clients, set my own hours.
That sounds amazing. Is that something you're planning to do soon?
Not yet. I'm going to stay at the company for at least another 2 years, build up my experience and save some money first. Going freelance is risky without a good financial cushion. But I will do it one day. I'm sure of that.
I really admire that. Having a clear dream like that. I think I'll be happier once I've got a clearer direction too. That's why the Masters feels right.
It sounds exactly right for you, actually. You're brilliant at what you do. A master's will just back that up with something official.
That's really kind, thank you. Oh, and personally? Do you think you'll stay in London long term?
Personally, I don't think I will, no. Like I said, I'm going to move eventually. Maybe get a dog, a garden, a slower pace of life. I'll visit London. I won't disappear completely.
Good, because I'll still need someone to moan about the Henderson account with.
I'll always be available for that. What about you? Do you see yourself staying here?
I think I will for now. My family is nearby. My friends are here. But who knows? Maybe after the Masters I'll fancy a change.
I might even work abroad for a bit. I've always wanted to live in another country for a year or so.
Oh, where?
France, maybe. Or Italy. Somewhere with good food and sunshine.
Very specific requirements.
Very important requirements. Right. This has been a very productive lunch break. I feel like I know what I'm doing with my life now.
Same. Right. Back to reality. Henderson emails won't answer themselves.
They really won't. Come on then.
Going to or will? Going to for plans you already decided. Will for predictions and promises. Simple as that. See you Tuesday. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.